everyone, it's Craig with LazerModels, and today we're going to go ahead and do another video. We're going to do the jewelry tree. This is going to be a real short, simple video. There are a couple things I want to point out. One, go ahead and just put all your boards out. You've got the base, and you've got 4 other pieces. 2 of them are solid. One has text, but both of them have holes. Now these two, if you don't want the saying on it, or if you want to do a custom saying, we offer that. But you can always go ahead and put the piece this way if you do not want the saying. But today we're going to go ahead and set it up with the saying. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the base, these 2 pieces, and glue them together. Doesn't take a whole lot of glue. Just going to do it like that and just set the 2 pieces together. Let's set that up there. And once those 2 pieces are together, we're going to take this, put glue on the bottom here. We're just going to go ahead and set this on here. Wheel it a little bit, get that glue spread out, and then set it right there. Then we're going to take glue and we're just going to go ahead and put a nice bead of glue right there. You're going to set the base inside that spot. Just like that. And then, like I said, if you do not want the saying to be up, you can put this down first, then this piece. But today we're going to go ahead and put the saying up. So again, just some glue on those spots. Wiggle them together a little bit, push them together. That helps support the jewelry tree itself. And then you also want to kind of line up everything. And then we've got one more piece for the back to put in. This is probably the easiest item we have to build. My wife at one point goes, "Do we really need to make a video for this?" But I wanted to have videos for everything. So anyways, that's your jewelry tree. And that's the end of that video. So thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions, you can always go to our website and reach out to us, LazerModels.com. Thank you.